Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory, and this is from Teslasy. Teslasy was nice enough to send me some TPE car floor mats, waterproof, nice rugged cargo style type mats, and I wanted to just do a quick video just to show you how this will look in your car, the Tesla Model Y Juniper. Let's go. Love how they're packaged, actually. Wow. They actually gave me one of the Sill for the carpet right here in the trunk. So this is more than I thought it would be. High quality, and you already know that these type of things are water resistant. It's really easy. I don't have to show you that. Okay, the next one is for the trunk. This will cover the whole length of the trunk. And one thing I like, it creases. Really nice quality. So you can see this one, I believe goes right here. Yep. And then you'll have the two for each seat. These kind of seem a little thin, I would say. Now this is something different that I haven't experienced with, I think, trunk mats. This is like the first or second layer, the upper layer, they call it. Really nice quality. As you can see right here. Love it. And that's kind of how the back looks. Really nice. I like that. And then you have the whole mat underneath for your back passengers. Let me show it to you. Same type of quality right there in the back. I like how the back looks. The back is nice. Details, love it. For the back passengers, all one length. You see those little holes right there. So I guess that kind of connects maybe to the carpet version, I guess. Next, this looks like the passenger side right here. Looks nice, high quality. And it don't feel too hard, so I think that'll feel good on my feet. But the back of that is good quality. So you don't have to worry about that. The driver's side right here, same quality. Got a hefty feel to it, kind of heavy. And look like it goes back a little bit past your seats, which is a plus. And then this right here is just for the Sill area right here. I already have one down here and it looks about the same quality, but I might go ahead and pull that up. I'm not sure, to be honest with you, because I think this is stuck on there. It looks pretty much the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take out this right here. You see, all carpet. Probably can't see it, but we'll go from there. Let's get it installed. This is for the sub trunk. So I'll just open that up, put this in here. That fits perfectly. So for this bottom section, I'm not sure how it's gonna stick. I know I have to put it underneath this little thing right here. Probably took one of my gloves off, and I don't know how this is gonna stick, to be honest with you. And it is a little warped, so I'm not sure if it's gonna stick. Probably eventually, but I'm gonna go ahead, put it on there. I don't think it's going anywhere, but that's how that looks. Okay, so that part's done. Now let's put in the trunk part. Put that in. And like I said, it might take a while for it to settle in. Now I'm gonna try to put in these for the seats as well. Once that settles down, it'll look more like this, but that's why it's kind of pulling up a little bit from just shipping. Now these definitely do have some things on the back where they stick to the carpet, which is a good thing. That goes under here. I'm gonna put that under here. There's some overlap of the carpet, so I'm gonna put that little excess like that. I don't know if that'll work or not. So let's go ahead and do this side. Grab that excessive carpet here and just feed it under through there. So you have exposure to that, this, and that, which is good. I'm not sure if I was supposed to do that, put that little lip of carpet, because they do overlap some. So let's let the seat up and let's see. Yep, that's perfect. Now the last test, just make sure that it functions right. Looks pretty good, but you see how that crease, all I gotta do is do this, and it's very simple to open it for the sub trunk. And you just pull it back down like that. I'll give it a day or two. This will be laying down here quick in the Arizona heat. I think I figured out the back with the carpet. You just take this, because it has two little sticky pads. Actually, that does look classy. You have the cargo underneath, and then you have the carpet on the top. I have to search and see if this carpet you can, it's not even carpet actually. It definitely is a tougher type material than just the regular carpet mats that come with the car. I'll have to look that up and tell you if I can wash these or not, you know, to keep them clean. I believe I'm doing this right. So I attach the 2 points down here. You see that little hole in the carpet? Not hole, but a little mark. Just lay it down. It fits perfectly. It goes back a little bit, the little lip. Not back as much as I want it to go back, because the one I had in before, they go a little bit past that, almost double the length. It's for the driver's seat. Well, there you go. Cool. And the last thing just goes in here. Like how the bottom part is shorter, so your tow hook and everything is covered. So that's pretty much it. Well, that's everything. Just to close out this video, I want to thank Teslasy for sending me all of these. I didn't think I was going to get as many parts. Their website, just for the TPE, for the Model Y Juniper, like the ones that I have, they have many more things to protect. They have the side liners on each side. They have some for holders. It's a lot of different spots, you know, to cover the carpet to protect it. One thing I really liked is the upper carpet that you can buy. You can take it on and off. But I do think from their website, it shows that that carpet is somewhat water resistant as well, because it don't feel the same as the OEM carpet that came with the car. Everything fits well. I didn't notice any smell. I really still don't really smell anything, but don't quote me on that, because it's been in that box for about a couple of weeks, I would say. So you might have a little smell, but I doubt it. It should have still had some kind of smell, because I didn't even open up the box for that long until I shot this video. But I can't say enough, I really like these cargo mats that have the the carpet on the top. I thought it was underneath the mat, and I was like, well, that doesn't work. And then I saw that little contact point where they come together and it sits on the top. That's really cool, and it's very unique. And I've sit on it a little bit, you know, my feet in the driver's seat, and it's more comfortable. It's not as tough as just a cargo mat. But if I don't want it there, I could just take it right off and just rock just a liners only. The front driver and passenger seat, I wish that middle part would go a little bit deeper under the seat like some of the liners do. And the front trunk mat, the only thing I don't like about it is the one that I had in there before that I bought, it had a little hole for your drainer, because they're in the Model Y, you have it there where you can drain it. Actually, let me show you. See this one right here? It has a drainer. That little hole right there is where you screw, I think you screw it off or something, and you can drain if there's water in your front, like if you have ice in there or whatever you have in there. That's the only thing I don't like about the front trunk mat, but it fits perfectly. Everything fits perfectly. And if you would like to purchase this or any other products on their website, and they have a lot of them, you can use my discount code in the description below, and that'll help you, and it helped me a little bit to support my channel. But everything I received was totally free. If you have any questions, please let me know. This Ken. I'll see you in the next video.